Last time, we started an amazing spring snow goose hunt.
It's wild when they start like going layer
The
upon
layers
layer.
there were unreal.
Let's pick up where we left off.
Chase, you know which bird has the fastest wing flapping? Ability.
On snow cranes. Be there. Did you get that on film, Clark? Wow. Snow? Oh yeah. Shoot him!
Right in the kill hole. Perfect landing.
That one seemed unfair. But I'm glad we all shot.
It feels good to three-man shoot on a single and ammunition's at all-time high. It's called a power flex. GoPro capture.
He was
One. One's going down. Oh, it's hard. They got a little bit behind us. Was it? Nice, shooting boys. That's a complete package.
Yeah!
How many shots you guys shoot?
One!
I shot one, so we each took a bird.
Woo!
That's clean shooting. Rootin' tootin'. Oh, darn tootin'.
Darn
Booty scootin'. Yeah, let's go take out some of these bosses. Classic death squad. All right. Oh. Put it all white to the front too. Yep. Don't make it.
You ready?
Shoot him. Oh, one. Ha. Right out front. Cover up, looking out front. Get ready. Shoot him. Got one.
Oh, come on.
Got two. I got a double out of that. Woo-hoo. I can't believe I got a double out of that. Look at these. Man, we're getting a lot of birds. We gotta cover up good.
This segment is brought to you in part by Worthmore Trailers. Located in Camrose, Alberta, Worthmore Trailers specializes in selling some of Canada's toughest trailers. For all your trailer needs, visit Worthmore Trailers.
Shoot him straight up.
Oh crap! I don't want to get hit.
Straight up, kill him. Got that one! Woohoo! What a shot! I like it when they come straight on. That's my money shots.
On the left, tuck in, tuck in.
They're coming fast on that wind, eh? Like. That one was close to you, eh, Hazen? Almost with the stinking GoPro. We got another good push of birds, though.
Yeah.
Like, we got more lines just pushing right at us. We're riding this wind right here on the right.
Well, I'm enjoying myself this morning. Straight up front, 3. 1 for each of us.
Shoot him. Just a little far. We need BBs for these suckers.
What?
I think my gun broke my finger.
Are you kidding?
No.
Take them. I got one.
Which finger? Caleb just broke his finger.
Medic!
I'm okay.
You want some?
I got electrical tape in my bag, I think.
Let's just end him.
We're not ending it!
No, end him.
Oh,
Put him out of his misery.
walk him out to the pasture?
No, it's moving. I can move it. I don't think it's broke.
Which part can you move?
The joints.
The hunt is going great. Birds continue to come to the field and into the spread. It's obvious to us that we're on the X. A common question that bird hunters are asked about snow goose hunting compared to other waterfowl is, why are the limits so different? And why are you allowed to hunt them in the spring as well as the fall? The very simplest way to answer is basically, snow geese are overpopulated. Overpopulation can lead to habitat and food source destruction, and it has. This can impact not just the geese, but all the wildlife in that habitat, which then impacts everything that relies on that wildlife, and so on and so on. It continues to trickle down. This is a conservation effort and crisis that has dated back decades and has dozens, if not hundreds, of well-documented scientific research behind it. As with any serious conservation effort, the nature of it may change over time. But for now, the science is still telling us that this is the issue. So if anyone ever calls waterfowl hunters, or any hunters, uneducated, or unloving, or anything untoward about harming animals, you don't have to say anything. Inside you'll know we're actually nature-loving, conservationist, scientist heroes.